Why? Come down here, bro. Why?
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight.
Hey you guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Amanda and I'm so glad that you're here. In today's video, we are doing an unboxing video. We are doing a Stitch Fix unboxing. So you guys know I haven't had a lot of luck with Stitch Fix in the past. I think I've only kept one item out of the, I think, 3 boxes that I've gotten from Stitch Fix. Hopefully this month will be a little bit better. I'm hopeful. Hopefully my stylist will get it. I did go ahead and I put some stuff in my Pinterest board that's for Stitch Fix. So hopefully my stylist looked at that and maybe she will get some of the stuff right, because I really want to like the stuff in here. I like the idea of other people shopping for me, but I do have kind of a harder body, I feel like, to dress. In my opinion, I feel like it's kind of harder because I am an apple shape. If you guys are new to Stitch Fix is a styling subscription box. Basically what happens is you go on, you make a profile, and you tell them your height, you tell them your body shape, you tell them your sizes, you tell them basically everything about you, and then they have a stylist that goes and picks out items for you. Normally it's about 4 or 5 items. You pay a $20 styling fee, which if you like the stuff that you get in your box, that $20 is subtracted from an item. So like, let's say you pick an item and the item is $35 and you decide you want to keep that $35 item, the $20 that you paid for your styling fee will go towards that shirt, and so that shirt will be only $15 is what you'll pay. The only bad thing is if you don't like anything in your box, then you're pretty much out that $20 if you don't decide to keep anything. So a lot of times I try to at least keep one thing unless it's terrible, and then I don't keep anything. So that is how Stitch Fix works. They also go ahead and send you a prepaid label to ship everything back. So if you don't like anything, you just take it to your local post office and you ship it back, which is really, really nice and convenient. And in here, it gives me everything that they put in this box. And so this is everything that was in my Stitch Fix, and then they also show you how to style it, which I think that's really cute. So if you have problems styling things, it kind of gives you like little styling ideas. I don't ever look at this because I want to be surprised. It's like a little receipt that they give you that gives you all the items that they put in your box, and then it also tells you the price of them, and then it gives you like a total. If you buy all items, you get a discount. Let me see if what my stylist said to me. She said, "Happy Fix Day, Amanda. I enjoyed styling for you today. I hope this fix brings you a smile. I'm so sorry we haven't gotten your style just right yet. I would like to encourage you to leave feedback, good or bad, because it really helps me as I'm selecting your pieces. The more I know about what you like and dislike, the easier it is for me to style for you. I want each fix to be so exciting for you. I love the items I sent today. They all have a fun pop of color for fall. I hope you enjoy, Jody." So Jody was my stylist. I don't want to read what she got me because I want to be surprised. This is my favorite part. Comes in like a little burrito. That's what I call it. A Stitch Fix burrito. Not sure how I'm feeling about the first item, just looking at it, but I don't know, we'll see. Oh, it's a kimono. It is pretty, but I'm not really into this kind of floral pattern, I don't think, just with my first like impressions. Not really my favorite colors, but this is the Emory Park Calais Open Kimono in dark green. It is in a size 3X. It seems pretty roomy, and the price of it is $34. Okay, so my thoughts on this kimono would be, I like that it's a high-low kimono. I think that's pretty cool. Like, this is longer in the back because you could wear this with leggings if you want to. I think that's a nice detail. I wish it had like maybe like a little clasp right here. I think that would be like a little bit cuter. I'm not a huge fan of this specific floral print, but I do love this green color, so I feel like if it was like maybe a different pattern or something, I probably would want to keep this. It's really, really comfortable. It's definitely roomy. I feel like it's sized pretty well. The sleeves, like, because they're like more of a bat wing sleeve, it's kind of stitched right here and then like more flowy. I wish it was a little bit bigger like in the front, because I don't like when my kimonos are just open. That's just not normally how I like them. I get to look kind of like this instead of like that. So I think I'm gonna pass on this one. Hopefully they'll send me more kimonos in the future. I already like this one. I think this one is really cute. I like the pattern of it, but I'm not sure how I'm gonna feel about the fit of it already because it is very flowy, and normally you need to have tops that have a little bit more definition because my chest is so large. Otherwise it just looks like I'm bigger than I am. Yellow, if you guys know, mustard and yellow is my favorite color. It's just so bright and cheerful. This one is the Collective Concepts Alyssa Tie Detail Blouse in yellow in a size 3X. The price of this one is $48. So we're gonna go ahead and give this one a shot and see what we think. I hope I like it because I love yellow and I like the pattern of it, so hopefully I will like it. Okay, so my thoughts on this yellow blouse. I really want to like this top. I feel like maybe if I tucked it in and wore it with like a high-waisted skirt or something, I think that would be super adorable because I love the color. I don't mind like the v-neck and everything. It's a little bit higher, I think, because my chest is large, so like it just kind of like rides up. But I love the sleeves. I think they're super cool. They kind of like have like a little bit of like a poofy detail. It's giving me kind of like an 80s vibe, but I'm feeling it, you know. Like I said, I don't necessarily like it untucked just because if you see from the side, because my boobs are big, if you guys have big boobs like me, and I'm gonna mention that I have big boobs all the time in all my videos because I have big boobs. Part of my channel, I have to mention it in every single video. I know some of you guys get annoyed, but that's how I have to describe the clothes. And because I have big boobs, this top, because it doesn't like form fit, just kind of goes whoop and goes straight down. So that's probably why I would want to tuck it in. It just gives me like no shape at all, but I think it is a really cute top. Like I said, if it was tucked in, I think it would look a little bit cuter, and I don't know, I might keep it, maybe, I don't know. I want to try the other stuff on first, but I'm on the fence about this one. I think it's really cute, but am I gonna wear it? You guys know I have a lot of clothes, so it has to be something I'm gonna wear if I'm gonna keep it. So I don't know, maybe I'll think about it. I like it though, it's cute. Okay, so the next item that we have, I like that it has different fabrics. So this one is like a blouse fabric, and then on here this is more of like a sweatery soft fabric on the sleeves. That's nice, and then the back is also the same fabric as the sleeves. So just the front is that pretty like flowy blousey material. This is the Calais Vernon mixed material top in black. It's in a size 3X and it is $38. It's not my favorite. I'm not really into florals, I don't think, right now. It's just not really my style right now, but it is really pretty. I like the fall colors in here, and then hopefully it'll look really cute on, and then maybe I'll like it. So I don't know, we'll see. Okay, so my thoughts on this mixed material top. I'm kind of torn. So I do like this top. I think it's cute. I like how it fits me like in the front and everything. I just don't like this neckline. I think this would look a lot cuter like if it was a v-neck. I just feel like it goes too high up on my neck, and it's just not, I don't know, I don't think it looks that flattering. I like that the sleeves are more, you know, stretchy and more comfortable, but yeah, once again, not my most favorite top. I'm definitely not gonna keep it because I have too many clothes and I can't keep things that I don't love. So this one's a no, but it was a nice try. All right, moving on to the fourth item. The fourth item is by 41 Hawthorne. It is the Abriana long sleeve knit cardigan in navy in a size 3X. So this is just a long sleeve cardigan. Ooh, I might be keeping this because I've always wanted something with elbow patches, and they're my favorite color. They're yellow. So I don't know, this might be the thing that I keep. I already have a black cardigan that has stripes on it like this, but it's long, and this one's shorter, it looks like. So I don't know, I'm already liking this one. This one is in a size 3X and it's only $38. So we might have found the keeper. I don't know. I'm excited about this one. Okay guys, I found the item I'm gonna keep. But we pretty much already knew that when I pulled it out of the box, like if we're being honest. Look at these elbow patches. So stinking cute. They're yellow, and it just like adds a little bit of extra like pop of color and a smile to my elbow. I don't know what it is about yellow, but I just really love it. The material's super soft. I like how it's like flowy here in the front, and then I like that it's longer in the back. I used to be like a huge hater of horizontal stripes because I am plus size, and I don't care now. I just really like stripes. I'm a huge fan of this cardigan. Super cute. Good job, Jody. I like it. I love the yellow. Anything that you give me yellow, it's gonna be hard for me to turn down, Jody. So, just in case you're watching this. Okay, so the last item that we have in our burrito is this a dress? Ooh, this is fancy. So it looks like it is the Chandler lace scallop dress in navy in a size 3X. It's by Fortune and Ivy, and it is MSRP of $64. That's kind of expensive, but it's really pretty. Like super, super pretty, lacy. It definitely, I would feel like, is a good quality, it feels like. And then look at the scallopy detail here. Not a huge fan of like sleeveless, but in the winter you can always layer or put like long sleeves underneath it. Okay, let's go ahead and try it on. Okay, so my thoughts on this lace dress. I think it's really cute, but you guys know I'm not a huge fan of showing my arms. I prefer to have, you know, a little bit of a sleeve. I do like the scallopy detail right here. That's really, really pretty. I feel like this would be really cute with a belt. Like, hold on, let me see. It looks really cute with a belt because of where it hits, like on your waist. It kind of cinches in your waist a little bit. Not necessarily this belt. It's just a belt I grabbed. I was kind of nervous thinking it wouldn't fit me, but it fit me perfectly fine, zipped up perfectly. And I zipped it by myself and everything, so it is stretchy, so you can kind of like maneuver your way into it. I won't be keeping it because it is a sleeveless dress and it's just not my style. I don't love sleeveless dresses, but if this one had like a long sleeve on it, I would possibly want to keep it. So this dress is gonna be a pass from me. Okay guys, so that was everything that I got in my Stitch Fix box this month. What did you guys think about this Stitch Fix? I feel like she did a little bit better than she did last time. I did like this cardigan, and then the other thing that I liked was the pop over blouse. I'm gonna write a note on there saying if they have any other pieces like this, maybe in a different silhouette, then maybe have her send that over in my next box. What was your favorite thing that I got in here? Let me know down in the comments what you guys thought. Make sure you subscribe to my channel before you leave. I post videos every Tuesday and every Friday. Make sure you're also following me on Instagram. I post there every single day about plus size fashion and makeup. As always, remember, be your own kind of beautiful, and toodles for now. Why do they get me with the yellow all the time? Man! I don't know, I've always wanted something with elbow patches. I just got back from my trip from Europe. I don't have any bottled water right now. All I have is coconut water. So, that's what I'm drinking right now. I need to go get some water. Chandler